Welcome to the Sauce and Gravy channel. Johnny Mac here, the gravy guy. In this recipe, I'm going to walk you through step by step how to make an Asian-style barbecue sauce. It's a really nice basting, glaze, or dipping sauce. So let me show you how to make it. For the prep work, dice one large shallot. You'll need about 1/3 cup or 55 grams, and then work on the ginger. For this recipe, 1 tablespoon or approximately 12 grams will be needed. Remove the tough skin. An easy way to do that is to use a spoon. Then you'll want to grate the ginger. You can use a microplane or a cheese grater. If you don't have either of those, just take a knife and dice it nice and fine. For the final bit of prep work, 2 cloves of garlic. Remove the skin. Grate it or mince it and smash it into the board to release its flavors. It, as well as the other ingredients, are going to go into the sauce and they're going to stay there, so you want them to be small bite-sized pieces. That takes care of the prep work. Round up a mixing bowl. We're going to throw a few things together. Hoisin sauce, 6 tablespoons or 90 grams. Drop it into the bowl. To that, you'll add 2 tablespoons or 30 milliliters of rice vinegar. Next up to bat, fish sauce, 1 tablespoon, 15 milliliters. Moving right along, 1 tablespoon of regular soy sauce. If you'd like to use low sodium soy, why not? Go for it. It's homemade, so you can make it how you like it. Pour in some honey, 1 tablespoon or 15 grams. If you'd like to make this in the comfort of your own home, this recipe happens to be in the Sauce and Gravy channel cookbook, Sauces Made Simply. I'll put links in the description section, as well as on the channel website if you'd like a copy. Snag your prep work items and drop them into the bowl. If you wanted to also add the sugar, the light brown sugar, 1/3 cup or 60 grams, you could add it right now, mix it in, that would be perfectly fine. However, with that said, I like to warm up the light brown sugar in a sauce pot over medium heat. I find that it gives it a nutty, smoky flavor dimension that you don't get whenever you just kind of dissolve that light brown sugar into the liquid. There is one drawback to warming up the brown sugar. I'll show you in a minute. Once the brown sugar looks like this, then you're ready to move on to the next step. Take your mixing bowl full of ingredients and dump it in. If you can mix and dump it in at the same time, that would be very beneficial. You'll also want the heat to still be over medium. First off, be careful. This will spit and it'll sputter, so it'll be very hot. You don't want to burn yourself, so just make sure that you're careful. And here's the one drawback to heating up that sugar. It tends to clump up and lump up on the spoon or the bottom of the pan, but that's okay. Don't freak out. Just take something, scrape it off the spoon, use the spoon to scrape the bottom of the pan. As it warms and as you stir, it will eventually dissolve into the sauce. After a couple minutes, the sugar should dissolve into the sauce. At that time, you can add 1/8 teaspoon of 5-spice. Nice work, so you're nearly done. Let this simmer on low for about 5 minutes. After a brief wait, you can happily baste, glaze, or dip away. And that's how you make a super easy Asian-style barbecue sauce. Thanks for watching the Sauce and Gravy channel. If you found this recipe helpful, hey, somebody else might find it helpful as well, so share it with your friends and be sure to hit that like button. Do you like sauces and gravies? Then smash that subscribe button and hit that all notifications bell to stay tuned to the latest and greatest sauce and gravy making tips and techniques. Thanks again, and remember, it's just you, me, and the sauces. Until next time, keep whisking, y'all.